Hey, I didn't see you there. Today we got a minor modification for the Civic. Bought a shifter extension of sorts off of eBay for $17. Comes with some adapters for different shifters. And I'm gonna show you guys how it works and why I bought it. So, when I'm driving, I'm a tall boy, right? So, going into third, my arm is fully extended if I choose to lean back. And I'm not about to lean forward every time I shift into third. You know? So, and fifth is even worse. Oh, what the fuck? The shifter in this car is really low, and it's really far away from the driver. The shifter placement is just trash. With this, I will be able to raise it up a little bit and have it closer to me, which is both of the things that I want. It's got adjustments for height. I'm probably gonna leave it on the lowest setting like it is right now. Yeah, they got different thread types to match the different types of threads you'll run into on shifters. I also don't want to put a cool looking piece of bracketry on my car and then run the stock shift knob. Really not my type of fun. During this video, I will probably go to AutoZone and look for something cooler. Yeah, now I just gotta pick out which one of these little boys fits my threads here. Looks like this is our winner. The way it works is, I slide it in here, and then I use the provided Allen wrench. I take these little, tiny little Allen screws they include, and I'm gonna thread them into here to lock the threads, essentially, lock them into place. It's pretty tight. Then I'm gonna slide this guy all the way back down to the setting I want him at. Okay, and now, for the wonderful, wonderful big reveal. That's kind of high, higher than I anticipated. I think my goal is to get a shift knob that is really short, so that this isn't as ridiculous as it looks now. Dude, that is fucking sick. Who needs a short throw shifter when you can get a semi-truck shifter for $17? I think it's about time we hit the streets. Okay, let's go. Oh, that is not sick. I gotta put a short throw in here or something, because this is fucking, oh god. Got me a Type S aluminum shift knob with blue LED lights, battery operated. I also don't even have a way to get this open. Cut myself on that later. Gotta find the one that fits the best. I think it'll be that guy there. Going to break that off. Take this guy, insert it, and get my little screwy boys. Bruh. Ow, that hurt. This little guy goes down here. This big guy goes over the top. You screw it onto this. I love that sound. Please make that sound more, please. Then you screw this into the bottom to complete the look of your dope-ass shift knob. I forgot the fucking O-ring. How am I gonna keep water out of my shifter? Just like that, this car gained 3. Alright guys, well, gonna light up shift knob. Lowered it a little bit, so it's a little more comfortable now. Because of the height we gained, it's probably about the same as it was, but it's not as low. So the throw this way might be as bad, but the throw downwards is not. So honestly, I think it's an all-around win for a total of $17 on eBay. The shift knob with the high-speed LEDs is like $24. So $40 shift knob, simply because I chose to spend some money on a shift knob. So yeah, that's how you fix your Honda Civic problems the right way. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.